Good afternoon, Sir Naptali. Praise be Jesus and Mary. My name is Japus, and this is Berhel Cabactulan. And today we're going to present our scenarios, which is the scenario 4 and scenario 17. So the si- for so first I'm going to present the scenario 4, which is the rename the folder temp work to completed work while inside the parent directory. So first, we're going to do is go to the CMD command prompt, and this and the second is creating. I mean the second is navigate the desktop directory. So as you can see, we're already in the desktop. I'm going to do next is creating the folder temp work. So as you can see, the temp work is already created. The next we're going to do is rename is go to go inside the temp work. So cd temp work. So we're already in the temp work, and next we're going to do is rename the temp work, the parent the, the parent directory into completed work. So as you can see, the system cannot find the file and specified. So what we're going to do is, let's go back cd dot to go back to the desktop navigation. So we're going to do is just put the temp work rename temp work into completed work. So as you can see, a duplicate file name exists or the file cannot be found. So the problem why is that this error show is because we already have the completed work. So what we're going to do is let's just delete the completed work. So yes. Wait, I think there's something misunderstanding. Yeah. I'm going to do I'm going to do it again. Well, it's not exist. It just delete this one. I don't know what's happened there. Uh, so let's proceed. Let's go back to our topic. Uh, so earlier we failed. Earlier the error states that the duplicating file is existed. So let's do it again by renaming the temp port again into completed work. So by doing that, the com- the com- the folder temp work is changed into completed work. Uh, so I think that's it. So Rahel is going to present next. I'm going to close my part and Rahel.
So, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sir Nagtaleroa. I'm Beryl Sabat Cabactulan, your student in ITP 303, System Administration and Maintenance, performing the scenario 17. So, first, let me share my screen. So first, we open the CMD terminal. So as you can see, if Windows is, there's a shell shell terminal or program. So if we okay, there is a terminal of CMD.
Verhel, puti ang imong screen. White lang tanan. Ano na?
What?
Okay, do. Try again.
Uh,
I-close siya and then percent auto. Gaya pa. Gaya
ano
pa.
ba?
Balik na lang sa unang din.
Ana, kita?
Loading ba? Na white screen yapon.
Oh no. So, ana.
Kanas good sa.
Okay, so let's proceed and create a directory. So first, uh, we must proceed to CD download a desktop. So third, create the directory activity. So as I now I performing the scenario 17. So let's create the scenario 17. So the file will be put in here in folder. So let's go to CD scenario 17. Mm, and navigate the directory. So we have now the CD folder. And for now, uh, let's create multiple directory. So let's just type mkdir and the three or the more directory, um, old one, old two, old, and three archives, three old archives. So as we can see, it is success. So let's perform the move directory to the all project directories. Start with a project name. So first, follow this instruction or this command for uh, directory. Uh, Later I explain this part. Percent in old. So we perform do move to move the folder and specify the location of folder name archives. So as you can follow, you can enter it. And we can see that the user desktop or old one archive and old two archive move. So I will explain this part. Um, Purpose, we go to this stop so we can create this stop. I mean this stuff. So as I am performing the scenario 17, we go to scenario 17. So as you can see, um, and we create a multiple directories which old one, old two, and three old in archives. So in this part, uh, for slash d percent I in old uh, It is search the directories name old, this part. Then this old one, meaning will all directories starts with all is look uh, intimate the look, this part. Mm, so this I a do move command is for directory found. Execute the move and this percent I or specify the location name archives. So assume that archive is a folder current directory. So this part, let's show the scenario 17. So our archives, uh, here are the two directories we move. As we can see this CMD in scenario 17. So 3. And that's all. Thank you.
So uh, that is all for our group, which is which is the representation of scenario 4 and scenario 17. That's all, Sir Neptali. Good afternoon and goodbye.